If the gas in your Volkswagen California campervan, or any campervan with a gas bottle fitted, if the hobs have stopped working, there's no gas flow, I'll show you what I did to mine to get that fixed and working again. Simple fix. I did some research online as to why the gas hobs may not be working, and because it's winter, some people suggested that butane, which is in the blue bottle, the camping gas, it can have issues with gas flow at about 5 degrees C. So because I was away camping in winter, I thought that was the reason, so I just ignored it and just thought it was just one of those things. But I took the gas bottle off and I put it inside the house to warm it up, and when I refitted it, I did get some gas flow, but it was a very, very weak flame, so I thought there was something more to it than that. In the Volkswagen California, there's a switch underneath that has to be in the on position, so I'll just show you what's happening. Turn the gas to on, press it down, and you can hear no gas flow. With that, the igniter clicking, there's still no gas coming through and it still isn't lighting. Switch those off, close the valve underneath the hob. I'll show you how to fix it. You're probably aware that the gas bottle lives inside the hole in the water tank at the bottom of the rear wardrobe. I've taken the shelf out so you could see. So we just need to spin this cover off. It does get stuck, so 2 hands. It's a good seal to prevent the gas escaping. I'll just show you that this attached to the gas bottle is the gas regulator. I understand that the purpose of that is because the gas bottle is highly pressurized, the gas would flow out too quick for the hobs, so this valve just reduces the pressure so it's safe for the hobs to work. So that's the purpose of the regulator valve. So we'll get that swapped now. So we'll just get a couple of spanners and show you how to remove that. Switch the gas itself off, then unscrew this collar. It's opposite thread, so normally it's lefty loosey, righty tighty, but it's opposite, so screw it the other way, righty loosey, strangely enough. Take that wedge out of there. And that's disconnected from the gas bottle. So now you get good access to the regulator valve. So I'll get a 16mm spanner on this part to hold it, and a 17mm on the brass fitting. And then I squeeze those two together and it undoes it really easily. Again, it's a left hand thread, so opposite to what you normally do. And that's it, that's the valve assembly removed. Bought a new part online for about £40. I think it was on eBay. So I've got the new part. So just it's reverse order of what we just done. So it's a left hand thread, so unscrew to screw on, if that makes any sense. It's 16mm on that part and 17mm spanner on that part. Squeeze them together like some shears. It's an easy way to tighten them up. Doesn't have to be crazy tight, just nice and secure. And then screw that, push it into the valve on top of the bottle, and it's opposite thread again. Easy to get it wrong, it's confusing. It's only a finger tight collar because with a little knurled ribs on the side, so just hand tighten that, turn the gas back on, then we'll go and check if the gas flows return to the hobs. So with the new regulator fitted and the valve on top of the gas canister open, come inside the van, make sure the switch underneath the hob is in the on position, turn on the hob, hold it down, you can hear the gas flowing, it lights perfectly. Just try the other side. Perfect, good strong gas flow, nice easy fix.